Take a look at this. Absolutely stunning. Look. Look at the sea over there. Look at that. This is on top of the house. That's the top of the coconut tree. We're on the roof. Solar panels. All this beautiful forest all around here. Oh, you got another house up there. All this beautiful land. And you got the sun coming up over there. Beautiful.
That's amazing.
Absolute beautiful. And there was hummingbirds in this tree. Let's see if we can get them when they come back. There they are. Look at these hummingbirds. Look at the hummingbird. Look at that. Look at the hummingbird. Look at that. All the wildlife right next to us. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that sunrise. It's just coming up over there. Look at this view. Another bird in the tree here. It's absolutely stunning.